let me know once you open the solution.
Open.
Okay, fine. So, um, we'll first see what we have done yesterday, then we'll go to the next step. Okay. So
Mhm.
first, to do the to perform the operation, we need the context, right? That context information we are getting in this webpod.ts file and passing it as a prop. Okay, that you can see here in the customer details webpod.ts. We are having HTTP client variable. For the client variable, we are getting this context dot sp HTTP client. Okay, this one we are getting here and passing it to customer details.tsx as a props. Okay, after that, in this customer details.ts, we are inputting namespace sp HTTP client. This one is to call that REST API we will be using it. Okay. Apart from that, we are using three life cycle methods: constructor, render, and component did mounted. In the constructor method, we are defining the state variables. What are the variables we are going to display in the render method? That one we are defining it and with empty values. And then in the render method, with that state variable, we are trying to display it. That's it. There is no other actions in the render method. Okay, in the TD, this dot state dot customer date state dot account. So that state variable we are displaying using render method. We are doing main operations in the component did mode only. Okay, here we are calling the API using that HTTP client. SP HTTP client, we are calling the API. Here we are passing the REST API URL. In the REST API URL, you can see underscore API web list get by title list name items of one. This is item ID. We are trying to get item with item ID one. We are trying to get that one we got it and we are printing it in the console.log to see the output. Okay. Till now we have done this. Is there any doubt in this?
No doubt it is correct.
Okay. I'll run the solution. Girls are open the console. Sorry. The console, I'm placing breakpoint in customer details.tsx file in the console.log file. So from here we can get how the output is coming and how we can map to the state variable. Okay, that's why I kept the breakpoint here and refreshing the page. Next point, it should go. It reached here. Copy that variable data. Okay, this one is coming like this in the JSON format. So from here, if you want to get data, expand it and see which variable. First, we need customer name. Title is the one we use as customer name, right? So Arun. So dot mm, account number. No, name is not the title. Product title is Arun. Then copy this and the customer name. And one more thing, I place it here. Copy this set state cut here and place it inside that response. Control X. Inside this console.log, you place it. Okay, here only we'll be having the data variable. So from here only we can set the state. Okay, customer name we have set. Account number same way. Data account number. Bank balance. Balance. Phone number is same way. Each for all the values we map to the state variable. Now we'll save it and refresh the page. Yes, it is coming, but coming somewhere else. We'll see what is the problem. I took this much space. I'll remove this T head T body part. Its phone number. It's we replaced these two things. That's the problem. So now it is coming all the details. You are getting.
I'm making the changes.
Okay.
For me, the customer name is not coming.
Customer name title we renamed. So data dot title, can you try that?
Yeah. Uh, Customer name is coming now. Can you please
Okay.
open your output once? That serial number is not there and it is
No.
not coming.
What I
Yes.
have in serial number here I have hard coded one as so far now. Okay.
Oh,
Other things here earlier we were using T head, T body and all that I removed. I placed only table row for the alignment issue.
you have removed that table head.
Yes, T head, T body, those things I removed. I changed that TH with TR.
Okay. Yeah, completed.
Okay. Right. So no, we have displayed one item directly. Okay, so there is no array concept. Directly, we are mapping one item with a state and displaying it. Okay, here if you go to SharePoint list, how many items are there? Customer details. We'll add one more item. There are three items. We'll try to display all three items. Okay. For that, what are the changes to be done? Okay. So now everything are in string. First, we'll start from the constructor. In the constructor, all the variables we have declared, all the state variable we have declared as a string. Okay. That we need to change it as array so that we can store multiple data. Remove the double quotes and add this array. Okay, array and add one more variable, uh, number of customers. Right now let it be 0. Okay. Changed all the variables string to array and added one more variable, number of customers equal to 0. Okay, that's the only one thing I changed. Now I'm not doing any change in the render. We'll come to render part later. Okay. uh, Here in the component did mode, first we'll see items of one. This one is the item ID, so it is filtering the SharePoint list. So we'll remove this one and we'll remove one. Just want to make sure removing the one is not breaking the STAP. Yes, we are getting all the values in the API. Okay, that's the thing. Uh, okay, I save till this. Let it be. I save this code and let's go to the console. Okay, let me know once you're done.
Okay. Okay. Done with the changes.
Okay, done till this. Okay, now we'll see how the response is coming in the API result. Based on that, we will change the state variable.
Okay.
Open the console. Mm, place it here in the console.log, remove the upper part. Okay, and refresh the page. Printed here, but not didn't hit the breakpoint. Yes, it okay. Now I copy the data, go to the console. You can see three rows are there. Where under value, three rows are there. 0, 1, 2. Okay. If we need to get the values, we need to get data of 0 dot dot value of 0 dot cycle. I have to get the values like this only. Okay, for 0, 1, 2, we need to increment it. Then only for each row, what is the value is there that we will be get. So for second row title, 0, 1, Kishore, Ramesh. Okay. So total number of rows we can get by using the length variable data dot value dot length. Okay. So first I'll copy this line. Using this, we'll write a for loop. Okay, I'll go to this component did mount. Inside this component did mount, below to the console log, let num cust- count equal to data dot value dot length. Okay, then I write a for loop for variable count equal to 0, count less than customer count, count plus plus. Okay, so first it will be 0 and till it reaches the customer count, I'm incrementing one by one. That is the for loop. Okay, once this is done, we need to write the concept here. Okay, so before that, we'll declare some local variables. Let cust name equal to for all five values we are declaring as state local array. Okay, what is the concept? So in this for loop we'll push data to this array. At the end we will assign this array value to this state variable. Okay, that's why I'm assigning a local variable here. Account numbers, let balance, balance, let phone numbers, customer age. So declare five local variables and then name dot push. What is how we have seen name dot push data dot value dot title, right? So we'll copy this line. Okay, so here instead of 0, we need to mention count. So why? So count first it will be 0, in the next iteration it will be 1. So till it reaches 2, it will be incrementing it. So 0, 1, 2, it will be there will be 3 iterations. For each iteration will be getting the value. That value will be pushed to this customer array. Okay. Same way we need to do for remaining 4 arrays. And place 4 times. I'll copy this name one by one. Customer phone number dot push. Customer balance. Phone numbers. Age. Okay. And we need to replace this title with the respective um, column names. Replacing age. Replacing title with phone number. Replacing title with balance. And copy it. Replacing title with account number. Okay, so we have pushed all variables to the local array. Then at the end, we'll assign this local array to this state variable. Copy each variable name and assign it to respective state variable. Customer balance, phone number, customer age. And we have seen one more variable. Sorry, we have declared one more variable, number of customers. So we are assigning that number of customers variables as well. Number of instead of 0, it should be customer count. Number of customers are there in that result. That one we need to assign here. Okay. Till this, do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay. Let me know once you are done with this component did mount changes.
Yeah, completed.
Oh, okay, fine, great. So state variable assigned here. Okay. So the last part is changing the render method. Okay. So render method, I'll copy this one. So on that day we have seen, right, so how to push the array variables using the map function. Okay, that map function we are going to implement here. Okay, so let me one second. We'll declare. I'll replace. I'll declare a variable. Let table rows any equal to some array. Okay, I'm declared a table rows. Okay, and number of customers I'm getting. If this dot state dot number of customers greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, I'm adding a for loop, again the same kind of for loop. For count variable count equal to 0, count less than this dot state dot number of customers count plus plus. Okay, I added a for loop. Inside the for loop, I'll push this array table rows dot push, copy this tr, don't copy, cut this tr, and add here. Okay, for each variable we need to change this same pattern how we have done here in how we have done here. Same way we need to push here. For yes and no, we'll be adding count plus one because first by default count will be 0, so we need to have 1. Right. Here line number 10, remove the 1, instead of 1 you count plus 1, add it in curly braces. Okay, then for the customer name, this dot state dot customer name of customer name of here count. Mm, okay. So same way you copy this count, add it in all the places. Okay. Now we have formed this table, and we need to push this table rows to this main method. Okay, just for that we need to use map method. Map function in React. Okay, this one number start map, I copy till this. Just it below to this header tr, and need to rename variable name. I'll rename table rows dot map row. We don't need LA and all. So you copy this row and place here just it. Okay. What we are missing here? Why is still showing error table rows dot map? Okay, here. Mm, change it to any, and then see. Now error has gone. So we have push the data and see how we are getting the output and refreshing the page. Close the developer tool.
What have you did for to remove that error?
To remove that error, here I have declared it as any variable,
Okay.
and first in the starting and ending added curly braces. I'll paste this line to you. This is one I, but still we are not getting the response. We'll see how what is the issue. If we go to developer tool, we'll paste array in couple of places. I kept the breakpoint. By default, it will be 0, so it won't get loaded. After component did mount, it will get loaded. I'm going to component did mount. So all the variables are assigned to respective array customers, phone number, age, customer count. Yes, it's moved. Now number of customers equal to 3. Count equal to 0. Count less than 3. Count plus plus. Table row start push. Yes, we have 3 values. I don't find any error. So why not appearing? Remove this. Yes, removing this curly braces for this row variable is fix the issue. Okay. Have it as plain row. Now we can see all the values are coming.
But if we remove those curly braces, it is throwing an error, right? It is showing some error in row.
Mm, can you share screen?
Okay. Now there is no error. The
No error. Okay.
output is not.
Mm, go to console and see what is the if you are getting any error. Line number 13 and click on it. Uncut error. Cannot read property undefined. There is customer info.tsx 39 is there, right? And customer info.ts. Below to that, next error. No, come down. That one, yes. See what is the error? Account number. Go to the code. Let's see. Go. Um, Go to the constructor method. Constructor first top at the top. Account number, customer name, bank balance, phone number, age, number of customers equals 0. Okay, scroll down. Table rows equal to any number of customers greater than 0. Customer equal to 0. Count less than distort straight at number of count plus. No error, right?
No.
Close the tab and open again.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Go to that customer info.tsx file. Click on that line number. Click on it. Place the breakpoint in that for loop. Line number 34. Okay. Now refresh the page. What is the count you are getting? Count first number of customers. Now it is 0, right? Hover on line number 32. The number of customers.
2.
2. Okay. Line number 39. It is throwing error, right?
Yes.
Okay. Start state dot account number. Okay. Copy that this dot state dot account number.
Okay.
State dot account and copy it and paste it in console. Hmm. Okay. Undefined. Give some other name. This dot state dot some other variable name. Customer name and all there, right? Phone number. This dot this customer name. Don't give phone number. Phone number I will give. Let's take that customer name. What is the value given there? Can you copy and paste it? Customer name is there. Okay. So then in the assigning values only it is throwing error.
Yes.
You can see, right? This variable is having value. Then you check on the what is that component did mode whether we have given correct name. Customer name data dot value dot.
ఉంటుంది fine.
Yes. We will state the for loop. Line by line again. Press function F10. Press F10. Notice. Mm, do one more thing. Place the breakpoint at the set state as well. Line number, you kept it line number 79, right?
Yes.
Place breakpoint line number 88 as well. Refresh the page now and then place the breakpoint. Okay, run. Now see what are the values available for the customer name, customer account number. For all the values, is there any variable or is there any error? Can you check? Uh, I think it came out. Is there any option to give control?
No. No option.
No option. I think there may be some minor issue only. Okay. Can I connect this? Connect tomorrow and check this issue because I have a call at that period.
Okay.
Yeah. You check from your end, so there won't be a big issue. Okay, something we might have missed. Okay, while pushing the data or getting it, okay, that will confirm. You check from your end, or else tomorrow morning we'll connect and we'll fix it.
Okay.
You can see right, now it is there. Okay, one more time press, run the solution. One more time, continue. Go up. Don't press continue. Go up. Customer name, customer account number, two values are there. Customer balance, two numbers are there. Phone number, customer age, everything are having values. There is no issues. Okay. Scroll down. Now you are mapping to customer name, account number to customer account number, customer balance. Okay. Now run once again. 'Cause. 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 ' Now check the state variable. This dot state dot customer name in the console. Copy this dot state dot customer name. Okay, values are there. Next, this dot state dot account number, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Going to undefined. You check this number of customers. That one you check. This dot state dot the last variable we have used, right? This one is coming. Check phone number. Undefined. Yes, is that variable is correct.
Sorry.
That variable name is correct. Can you go
Yeah.
to okay? So remaining four values are not coming.
Yes.
Only first and last values are. Okay, fine. Yeah, you debug it. Let's connect tomorrow and we'll see. Okay,
Okay.
there may be some issue only. We'll fix it tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks, Kama.
Thank you.